How to stream on Twitch, or how to simply connect my Steam with the Twitch official account. For this, you have to open your Google Chrome in front of you and search for the Twitch official website. I will search the Twitch on my search bar, and this is an official Twitch website. What I need to click, and whenever I will click it, you will see there is a lot of option, but I will click on the right top of the screen. That is my profile icon on the blue icon here. So you simply have to click on this option. Let me just do that. This is my account. I will go to the setting option or the creator dashboard on the third. This is my Twitch creator dashboard where I have all the setting right now on my screen. But to link or unlink anything, I have to click on Steam Manager here, scroll to the down, and yes, this is the menu where you can edit the Steam information on your Twitch account. I can edit the title, go live notification, category, tags, or many more. This is read channel, manage goals, Steam together, and there's a lot of things available for the Steam on your Twitch website or Twitch application. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates and videos like this.